How to reset the password of your Chase Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset the password of your Chase Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the Chase app on your mobile device and then simply tap on the option forgot username/password. Then you will be provided with two different options. You can either reset your username or your password. So since we are here to reset our password, we'll tap on the second option, which is I forgot my password. Then it'll ask you to enter your username. So simply do so and then tap on the option continue. Then it'll ask you to verify your identity, so you'll have to choose one of these three options. So you can either ask them to send you a email address. You can basically ask them to send you an email on your email address, or you can also ask them to send you a text message on this phone number and a phone call on this phone number. Now whichever one you choose, all you need is the 6-digit verification code, which will be sent to you. So once you've entered the code, you will be taken to this page where you will be able to create a new password for your account. After that, confirm it by typing it in the box below. And once you've done that, you will have successfully reset the password of your Chase Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.